Kemerovo region is the heart of Siberia and one of the largest coal deposits in the world. Russia's largest coal reserves are found here. And it is here that we are using open-pit mines to extract thermal coal with low ash and sulfur content and high calorific value. We are KTK, one of the youngest and most ambitious coal mining and processing companies in Russia. It is hard to imagine that 13 years ago, all of this was empty land. A team of managers with many years' experience in the sector and a modern approach to business have done more than just build open-pit mines and railroad infrastructure here. We have created a sustainable business model with strong potential. Our coal is the primary fuel for electricity production and central heating. Almost half the electricity on the planet is produced using thermal coal. We are strengthening our position on the domestic market and developing our own retail network. Our key consumers are the households and public utilities. The long Siberian winter means that there will always be demand for our coal, and the retail network we have built covers the territory of 4 regions in western Siberia. We are constantly updating and modernizing our equipment, and we are using the most up-to-date and reliable technologies. We are acquiring mining and transportation equipment and building the washing facilities. In August 2010, we began operating the new Cascade 1 washing plant. This innovative facility was constructed according to international environmental standards and operates round the clock. Cascade 1 has an output of 2 million tonnes per year. In 2013, KTK built Cascade 2, a second washing plant. The production capacity of the new plant is 4 million tons of coal per year. With the commissioning of the second washing plant, the company is able to wash up to 70% of the coal produced. We transport coal to the network of Russian railways via our own access routes. In 2000, we built Uba Sorting Station, which is now a strategic link in the transportation and supply of coal to the consumer. In July 2013, Merit Freight Forwarding Company, a subsidiary of KTK, reached a volume of 1 million tonnes of coal transported to the network of Russian railways via Uba Sorting Station since the company first started operating. Today, Uba Station has 15 receiving departure lines with an overhead contact system and lighting. In just 13 years, 6 coal loading stations have been built and 90 kilometers of rail track have been laid. The handling capacity of the station has reached 17 million tonnes of coal per year. Our production is delivered to Russian Railways network by our own fleet of locomotives. We supply coal to the Russian regions, Eastern Europe, countries of Asia-Pacific region, including Japan. We are social responsible, and we are operating new production units and creating new jobs. By supporting social projects, we help the region where we operate. In 2002, on the initiative of the governor of Kemerovo region, a project was launched to rebuild one of the oldest power stations in Siberia, the Anzhero-Sujinsk Central Heating and Power Plant. KTK was an investor in this project. The subsidiary Cascade Energo was established as a result, and today it is a reliable provider of central heating and electricity for households, public and social utilities, and industrial consumers in Anzhero-Sujinsk and the surrounding area. To ensure the reliable central heating to the city, the company has spent almost $7 million to modernize the power station. We live on this earth. We breathe its air. Our children live here. So to preserve the unique Karakan Ridge, KTK Company donated part of the territory of its reserves to the Karakan Nature Reserve, thus preserving 500 species of rare plants. In addition, the company finances and supports environmental activities on the reserve. CEO and major shareholder of KTK personally helps to develop tourism in the region. For many years now, he's been financing the building of the ski resort in Gornja Shoria, a unique area of the Kemerovo region. Over the years, we have achieved the best combination of coal reserves, production capacity, and experience. And we don't plan to stop there. We are focused on high yield and high margin output. We are building a transparent and accountable business in line with the highest international standards. We are strengthening our position in Russia and export markets. We were the first Russian producer of thermal coal who placed its shares on the market and become a public company. We are doing all this because our aim is to hold a strong position in thermal coal production both in Russia and abroad. KTK, the energy for growth.